Hi, today we will learn how to create indeterminate progress bar in Android Studio. So let's start. Open your Android Studio. Now click on Start a new Android Studio project. Select Empty Activity, click on Next. Name of your application. Indeterminate progress bar and click on Finish. There are two types of progress bar, horizontal and circular. So we will create both one by one. First, open your XML file. Here we use relative layout. And insert one progress bar layout with wrap contain, height, wrap contain, ID. First we create circular. So we create progress circular and min height 50 dp, max height 50 dp, true, center horizontal true, center vertical true. Now we add one button. Here we set visibility invisible. So when I click on button, the progress bar will be visible. So for that, click on main activity.java. Here progress bar button. Copy this. Similarly for button, find view by ID, r.id. Button. Now when I click on button, this progress was visible. Now run the project. Now I click on button. Here you can see the circular progress bar. Now we will create horizontal progress bar. Now for horizontal progress bar, here we have to add style. Progress bar horizontal and set max value. Here I'm going to set 100. Now progress. 0. Now click on main activity. Now here private and progress 0. Now we will fetch the value of progress. So here progress equals to progress var dot get progress, and then we create state which increase the value of progress. So here we create one while loop progress less than 100, and we increase the value of progress. Now after that handler dot post new enable, and here we set the value of progress bar at progress, and here we pass progress. Now here I'm doing this to show the progress. Now catch. Now run the project. So when I click on button, it will show horizontal progress bar. This is how you can create progress bar in Android. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.